solar cycles in relation to man. The zodiac is divided into 72 decans corresponding to the 72 years, which the sun takes to move backward in the zodiac 1 degree. In passing, it may be mentioned that the 72 5-degree divisions of the zodiac correspond to the 72 hierarchies from which all human beings are born. Those 72 decans measure to the 72 heartbeats of the normal human being. Each heartbeat constitutes a cycle. The duration of this, the cardiac cycle, is 8/10 of a second. Cardiac cycle is twofold, contracting and expanding, which again is twofold. This is the cycle of pumping of the blood after the pause or passive interval. Rhythm of the cycle recommences. On a minute scale, each one of those heart motions corresponds to an age. To compute this is interesting, but rather bewildering, however. 72 heartbeats in 1 minute. Sun's motion of 1 degree is 72 years. 2160 heartbeats in 30 minutes, equal to the sun's passage through one sign. 4320 heartbeats in 1 hour, equal to 1 in 1000 of grade age. 12,960 heartbeats in 3 hours, equal to 1 of the 100th of the silver age. 25,920 heartbeats in 6 hours, corresponding to a complete zodiac procession. In 600 hours or 25 days, the heart beats 2,592,000 times, equivalent to 1 polar day. In 25 days is the time taken by the sun, ruler of the heart, to turn once upon its own axis. In 2/10 rest, the heart feeds itself. The heart pause corresponds to the twilights between the ages, the twilights each of which were 1/10 of the duration of the whole cycle, 432,000 years, when nature rests and recharges itself. Another analogy between grand man and the lesser man is in a breath. Normally we breathe 18 times per minute, 4 times less than the heartbeat. 18 breaths per minute amounts to 25,920 breaths in 24 hours. Again, the precession cycle is repeated. Every cell and function of our body is a replica of the solar system. We are a zodiac. Therefore, recurrent cycles in the universe show recurrent cycles in a human life on a smaller scale. When we learn the proportion of one cosmic cycle to another, then we can learn about our own individual cycles and so practically know how to live in harmony with divine law.